In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix. Whether you're building a website from scratch or making changes to an existing one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you navigate this powerful platform with ease. Let's dive right in by starting with navigating to the official Wix website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Logging in will take you to the dashboard, which is your control center for managing all things related to your website. From here, you can start editing or designing your site if you're updating something you've previously created. Simply click on the Edit/Design option, and you'll be taken to the Wix editor where the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to start customizing. This is where you have the creative freedom to tailor your site to your needs. You can adjust pages, tweak elements, and incorporate the latest design trends or customer feedback. Play around with fonts, colors, and layouts to give your site a distinct look and feel that resonates with your brand. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers will have, so make it count by ensuring it's both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's always a good idea to preview your site. This feature allows you to see how your website will appear to visitors, so you can make sure everything is just right. When you're happy with how your site looks and functions, it's time to hit the Publish button. This action will make your changes live on the web for everyone to see. If you're thinking of creating a new site instead, head back to the dashboard. Look for the ellipsis next to the Edit Design button. Click on it and select the Create New Site option. This will guide you through the process of setting up a brand new online presence. You have the choice to design manually, which gives you complete creative control over every aspect, or you can utilize Wix's AI assistant. This intelligent tool can guide you, offering suggestions for content and templates that fit your site's goals and aesthetics, making it an excellent option for those who want a quick yet customized setup. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Wix. Whether updating an existing site or creating a new one, this platform's user-friendly tools make web designing accessible to everyone. So, take the plunge and bring your online vision to life with Wix. Good luck and happy creating!